flavor. Yes, up there. What's up? We up to the right. We up to the. We up to the. We. I love you. Hot, hot, hot. Comrades, are you ready? Are you ready? Bellfield, are you ready? Central, are you ready? Move in a level up. Put some voices, make some noise as we welcome one of the new sensation in the People's National Party, creating waves in Trelawney, the man, Comrade Patmore. Comrade Patmore.
I was right now, big up Peter Phillips, Falwell, Mikkel, Wickham, Julian, and the entire Victory Massive. So right now we're going forward with Amy and Craft. Get rid of them, 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 get rid of them.
Comrades,
get rid of them.
Comrades, comrades, are you ready? Comrades, I greet you from the cool, cool hills of southern Trelawney. I want to tell you it's a young parish. But tonight, Mario said I have 2 minutes. And I'm here tonight to let you know that South Trelawney is serious about election 2025. We are ready. Comrades, I want to make an announcement. Because as you know, we are fighting against corruption in our country. And a few years ago, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said that he cannot sit in a parliament with Richard Azan because Richard Azan makes some shops for some poor people that was selling in the sun in Spalding Market. But over in South Trelawney right now, there is a criminal representing the Jamaica Labour Party. And everywhere I go, I let people know that it is safe to say that I'm of the 63 PNP candidates. Maybe I'm the only one who can definitely say I'm running against a criminal. And one of the things that I decide to do, we over in South Trelawney, the stand that we'll take starting at 12 o'clock tonight, because some of us will be heading to Heworth Circle tomorrow. But starting at 12 o'clock, we have decided that we will not sit in any function with Marissa Dalrymple from now until election. So we say no church service. We believe in South Trelawney that Marissa Dalrymple should not sit in a graduation with our children. She's a criminal. I don't believe that she should sit even in a church unless she decides that she wants to repent. And I kind of disappointed with even some of our church leaders, because Dalrymple, when she was charged on the Friday, and I tell you, by the Sunday, I see her on a church pulpit and up there by the rostrum, and I was really disappointed. Because those are the same persons who say Spice should not go and speak to our young people. So that's why I will say we live in a country with double standard. And I think that's why most of these labor rights continue to say, boy, we and the PNP are the same. From now until election day, we want to show them in South Trelawney that PNP and JLP is not the same. So that's why we say we will not attend no church service, no funeral, no graduation, as long as Marissa Dalrymple is at that service. That is the way that we decide to show that Dalrymple must leave South Trelawney. It's the worst thing that have ever happened to South Trelawney. Marissa Dalrymple. The worst thing that ever happened. We passed through Hurricane Gilbert. Hurricane Gilbert did not destroy South Trelawney like Marissa Dalrymple. We passed through Hurricane Ivan, and it did not do the damage that Marissa Dalrymple have done to South Trelawney. All of these hurricanes come and see we with water and then leave us with water. And for the past 20 years, since Marissa Dalrymple is the member of parliament for South Trelawney, most of our water gone. All our standpipe gone. So that's why we say the worst thing that have ever happened to South Trelawney. No earthquake, no hurricane have done what Marissa Dalrymple have done. So that's why we say Marissa must go and go now. People, the word is love. One love, come
more. We have you in the numbers to bring Marky G to victory. Southern Trelawney, PNP territory. The big man, the mayor, where the whole of them afraid. Them no love when him talk at all. Action man, not a bag of mouth. Put your hands together for Mayor Swaby. Kingston Mayor, Mayor Swaby.
Comrade Chairman, comrades, we come from Region 5, know that. Comrades on the platform, but I can't come up here and don't pay respect to my friend, my brother, Comrade Mario Mitchell. And I want to also pay respect to the next member of parliament, my colleague mayor, Comrade Donovan Mitchell. Comrades, a little comrade, say me a town man. I'm adopted a town man, but I come from Black River, Region 5. So comrades, one thing I'm certain of tonight is that in 2020, it was a flux. Because Central Manchester is back in the hands of the PMP. And it's not by default, comrades. It's because you are doing the work. And the lady will get the flux never do no work. She spend her time on social media and I send some signal like she do work. But comrades, we are going to win. But we don't want to win it for ourselves. We want to win it for you, the people and comrades of Central Manchester. And what do we mean by that? We mean that your lights should be well lit. We mean that you should have better roads. And not just roads for a particular set of people, but roads for all. But comrades, hear me now. The JLP now give it up easy. So I don't want us to expect it to be an easy feat. It can mean, comrades, that we have to continue out there and do the canvas. We have to be continued, have visible on the road. And we have to make sure we knock our neighbors' door one by one and count our votes one by one. And I can assure you, comrades, once we do those things, we will definitely see
Comrade Donovan Mitchell as your next member of parliament. We will definitely see a majority of PMP seats and Comrade Marky G, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, comrades. So let us go forth. Let us make sure we work the work. Make we talk the talk and do the thing, comrade. Thank you, comrades. The word is love.
Comrade Karen Carty, Frankfield Division, in the building. Make her welcome. Where's Comrade Carty? Just walk across here, some man. Make Manchester know you. Frankfield Division. Put up your fist, comrade. Put up your fist, make them know you. Comrade Kevin Shirley. Comrade Kevin Shirley. May the people that know you. Thanks to
Lord, all your mercy never failed me. All my days I've been held in your hand.
New Green Division Councillor is here. Councillor Andrew Smith. Guscard. Craighead. Caretaker. General. Wolfram.
Hear me, Father. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God.
He's Prosperous. 5-star General. Spiritual Division. Farmer Councillor. Farmer Councillor, Comrade Facey, make him welcome. The People's National Party, we are responsible people. So we are going to make sure that you reach home in time for work tomorrow. The next speaker, what you say? Are you ready to go home? Are you ready to go home? The next speaker, the man who is going to be in charge. The man who is going to be in charge of Northeast Manchester.
Let it go make it run, it bigger than them gun. If them this, them a go get dismissed. Find themself up on the dead, soundless. Valentine, you have chemist now this. How we a teacher with apprentice. Valentine, Wint, you been through Wales and Valley. And survive out of the old gangster alley. No fun shot with them skip and ballet. When them sing with them.
Comrade Chairman, members of Parliament seated here on the platform, Member of Parliament in waiting, mayors, councillors in waiting, other dignitaries of the People's National Party, comrade workers, comrade warriors, I bring you greetings from the hills of Northeast Manchester. You know, comrades, when Mario tell me last night, you know, say I go wash away Bellfield tonight, I had no idea of what he was talking about. But when I see the PMP River here tonight, man, Mario, the place wash away, man. PMP River come down, bang to bang. I know that the Royal Flat Division is in good hands. I know that the Mandeville Division is also in good hands. And I know that in the Patrick Division is in extremely good hands. But when I look at Bellfield tonight, I know that Comrade Mayor, Member of Parliament in waiting, must be smiling from ears to ears. Bellfield look good. When I speak about turning my eyes to the hills, from where cometh my strength,
it has been echoed, the same sentiment, right here in Bellfield Division. Comrades, we are neighbors up here, and the feeling is mutual. Strength on the hill is always the strongest strength. You come with Patmore? Yes, man. You must have been listening. I don't know, many of you are wondering, or asking yourself, I was so. They can't find somebody we know who I go run against Comrade Valentine. But you know, I hear it is being reasoned around among them. And I hear that they are saying that they have researched and then find out, say, Wint now beat no woman. But a mistake they make. I won't beat no woman. I certainly won't beat no woman. But who knows? If you send a nice woman come, we might just flag her, give her a political flagging, and send her back and St. Mary. So we up in Northeast Manchester. We no matter who they send come, man or woman, it make no difference. Any patient you send come, is the same medicine they're going to get. They're going to get a political backsliding. Comrades, we are serious about this 2025 election. And we have prepared ourselves for this election. So we recognize that we have to put our best foot forward. And that is what we have been doing since the 2025. Since the 2020 election. So comrades, we know that Andrew Holness is afraid to call it. And if he's not afraid, we say call it then. Because Northeast Manchester is ready for you anytime you call it. One love, comrades. Keep the strength heavy. Keep the fire burning.
Conference nice, not true. PNP nice, not true. Comrades nice, not true.